Hi people, I'm back for the week and the look we are doing today is a high glam chic look. So stay tuned and let's get to the look then. Alright, so here I've started with my base. I've already done the base and you know by now if you've been watching my favorite foundation, that is the L'Oreal Accord Parfait, has been used as the base foundation. And yeah, some of my baby lips on my lips to just moisturize them till the time I'm gonna do my face. So getting to the look, let's start with the eyes. By now I'm sure you're aware of the drill. I'll be using my CC Lakme 925 for my eyes to cancel out any darkness or discoloration and have a clean slate to start with. Alright, now that my eyes are prepped completely, we'll be stepping into the next step, which is our base color for the eyes to create the look. So again, it is going to be a glittery glam look. Picking out this golden shade for my base and just put it on through the eyelid, staying inside the crease. So we can keep it a little messy because we are going to go over with the loose pigment to cover it up and give it the glitter and the shine which is going to enhance the look. The base is on, and as I said, precision is not the key here. We are just giving a base for the loose pigment to be settled on the eye. The loose pigment here I'm using is this one. I bought it from Nykaa itself. And the best way to use, so they have a great deal of fallout, right? The best way to use a loose pigment as such is with one of these kind of a sponge eyeshadow brush. They help in picking up the pigment easily and restrict it from creating that extra fallout, which is really difficult to get rid of later on. So using my sponge eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna pick up some of that loose pigment here and just dab it over the base. Alright, so in order to give it a more defined look, right, what we're gonna do is go in with my trusted eyeshadow blush and use a crease color. Alright, so here I'm gonna pick this color and just over my crease line, working it out. Just over my crease line, working it out. And pushing up to the brow bone. Alright, so the most crucial part of the look is the liner. It is going to be a bold, defined liner which is going to bring the complete eye look together. Alright, so let's get to that. So the liner I'm using is my Lakme Absolute Shine line. The liner we are doing, it's unlike the usual thin liner we do. It is going to be a defined cat eye look. So I'll tell you how to create that. First, just above your eyelashes, draw a line. When you reach the end of your eye, drag it out diagonally from your lower lash line up to your brow. Now from here you will create a triangle, and there you go. All you gotta do after is just fill it in. And there you have it. We are gonna pull it out this way. Well, we are going to do the inner corner of the eyes with a dramatic color as well. So we can leave it to that. Alright then, the liner on both sides have been done. It's a dramatic cat eye that we have done today. So, to make this a little high glam, we are going to do the inner corner of the eyes, and for that I am going to use I Love Makeup Kit and this bright yellow shade. So usually the inner corners are done with a subtle color, but yeah, we are doing something out of the box today. Okay, so there we are. Back in my contour kit, the shade closest to my skin tone. Next up, we will be using our Lakme Iconic Kajal to do the under eye. We will be doing a half eye. There you have it. Now, taking the same shade, we will be doing the under eye. Smudging it out a little bit. Now we'll do the brows. Next up, using the spoolie to brush them out, give them a more natural look so that it does not come across as if any product has been used to define them. Next step, mascara. I'll be using the Colossal. Generous amount of mascara. So with this, so the eyes, you can see, although they are bold but they are muted, we can actually go in with a bold lip here. I will be doing a classic red Boss Bitch lip. Let's get to that. So this is one of my favorite lipsticks. It's Never Too Matte, and see the shade Danger Red. It is Cute Press Makeover. There we'll keep the blush light, so we'll go in with the tangerine. The trick, putting it up to the hairline. It gives a natural contour as well. And there. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Love you, munchkins!